Friends, how are you? By blessing with God, you are doing well. So this is Dr. JENA, faculty member, PGT Department of Business Management, Fakirmoni University, Basa Vihar, Balasur, Odisha. Friends, once again I welcome to all of you to your channel, my channel, Dr. JENA classes. Friends, today we are going to discuss the very interesting and useful video content. It is, friends, that is the BCG Matrix. So friends, in this video content, we will discuss by citing the suitable example as well as what are the objectives of BCG matrix, as well as the advantages and the disadvantages, as well as that is the what strategies are to be adopted by the companies, I mean the business firms. So friends, during the discussion, if any mismatch or gap you find, kindly give your valuable comment and suggestion in the comment section. So friends, don't skip the video content. So from beginning to till end you watch definitely you will enjoy, because friends, it's the chota sa video content. So friends, without losing our valuable time, golden time, let's start today's discussion. What is the BCG matrix, and that is the objective as well as the advantages, disadvantages, as well as what are the important features of each and every element of the BCG matrix, I mean the quadrant. So don't skip matrix is concerned. So BCG stands for what is this? Boston Consultancy Group Matrix. So friends, I have already told you. So this video content will be much helpful for the that is the commerce management and other related subject. Will be it's useful for the ugc-net JER for the subject of commerce management, as well as that is the PhD, PG entrance examination, as well as for the assistant professor. So friends, that's why this video content will be much useful and fruitful. So BCG stands for, friends, it's the Boston Consulting Group Matrix. So this matrix is also regarded as what is this? Growth share matrix, or Bruce Henderson has developed the BCG matrix in which year? It's in 1970. Friends, so BCG matrix is a strategic portfolio management tool. I have, friends, just so there are how many quadrants? So it's that is the star is there, question mark is there, that is the cash cow is there, dog is there. So friends, in that is there are two axes, that is the growth rate is there and the market share is there. In that is the x axis, that is the horizontal, and in the vertical it's the growth rate is there. So friends, it's the BCG growth share matrix means what? It is a planning tool that is or which that uses the graphical representation. So friends, it's the graphical, it's the representations of a company's product and services in an effort to help the company decide what it should keep or sell or invest more in the product portfolio, the product lines. So BCG matrix helps the corporation or business firm to analyze, to prioritize, to allocate the resources in their business units or product lines by taking into the consideration of the following two main, that is the matrix. So it's the two parameter. Its first one is market growth rate is there. So market growth rate shows how fast the market is growing. From this image, friends, easily you can know. Then relative market share shows the market position of the company in comparisons with the competitors in the market. Thus, the BCG matrix help to companies or business firms to decide whether to invest or to hold or to harvest or to divest. So BCG matrix is mainly used for product portfolio management in a company. So this matrix also supports the strategic decision making with respect to, that is the invest or hold or harvest or divest. So friends, now you are clear. So the objectives of BCG matrix in semester exam, you may get the question, discuss or state the main objectives of the BCG matrix. So here the main objective of the BCG matrix is to help the multi-product corporation, that is the ITC is there, Tata is there, similarly Unilever is there, or business firm to analyze their business units or product lines. The other objectives of BCG matrix are the following. So first one is allocation of resources. So here the companies or business firms allocate the resources. So friends, resources is known as capital as well as the fund. in their business units which give the highest growth potential. Both, so in this situation, that is the market growth rate is there, market share is there, that the business will get. Then second one, cash flow management. The companies use the generated profits for the mature products, I mean the cash cows, to finance into high growth innovations, I mean that is the stars and questions. So friends, don't worry, be happy, we'll discuss one by one, that is the each and every element, I mean the quadrant of a BCG matrix. So then the strategic clarity. This matrix also divides the business units easily by using the market growth. Two important parameters of the BCG matrix. First one is that is the market growth rate and a relative market share, to decide whether to build or to hold or to harvest or to divest. Then the portfolio, it's a balance. So this matrix maintains the healthy mix of products which generate the cash immediately and products that secure the future revenue of the business. So mitigation of risk. So this matrix identifies the weak and unprofitable products, I mean that is, so in the quadrant, I mean the category, so that the business firm or company can cut the losses or exit from the unprofitable markets. So what are the axes of a BCG matrix? So there are two axes of BCG matrix. First one is vertical axis. So it's the, that is the friends, it's a, that is the market growth rate. So this axis measures how fast the industry or market is expanding and indicates the market attractiveness and annual growth of the business. So friends, so there are how many, that is the quadrants, it's the star is there, question marks, then cash cows and the ducks. So friends, here that is, so in the case of it's the market growth is there, it's a vertical axis, but in the case of that is the market share, it's the y axis. So friends, now clear. So this axis measures the strength and market share of a company relative to its largest competitor. So this axis also indicates the competitive advantages and profitability potential of the business through its economies of scale. So friends, now clear. I mean there are two axes, that is the vertical axis, I mean the y axis, and then the horizontal axis, it's a, that is the x axis. So friends, now clear. So these are the friends, so there are the four quadrants in the BCG matrix. So first one is star is there, question mark is there, dog is there, cash cows is there. It's a, friends, that is in market growth axis is there, then a relative market share axis is there. So explanation of star quadrant. So first one is, so there will be the high market growth as well as there will be the high market share, that they lead, I mean the products will lead in the market. So also the company requires or needs the heavy, that is the investment of funds, because due to the high market growth as well as the high market share. Also in this quadrant, so product generates the high incomes and also the business turns into the cash cows later. So examples, it's a very good example, a latest model of EV, that is the electric vehicle in a rapidly growing EV market. So next, explanation of a cash cows quadrant. So first one is, so there will be the low market growth, there will be the high market share, maintaining their dominant position also. So here that is the business needs the invest heavily or heavy investment for growth. So here that the business also brings, or this quadrant brings the high profit with low cost to fund other units, I mean product units. So here also the business generates the strong and stable cash flow. Similarly, the business requires that is the less investment in this quadrant. Then for example, a popular brand toothpaste in a mature market. So friends, now clear. In a second, that is the quadrant. Third one, it's friends, So explanation of a question mark, I mean it's the problem. Children, when we are talking about that is the question mark, I mean that is the problem is there. So there will be the high market growth for the company. So there will be the more market share for a company. So business unit needs much cash to grow or get it sold off. Similarly, the business units invest in the best ones to turn them into stars or divest or sell off the weak ones, I mean the weak product. Similar business units needs the significant investment. Then also the future of the business unit is uncertain. The company, I mean the business unit must decide whether to invest or exit. The very good example of this question mark element of the BCG matrix, it's the new smartphone brand makes an entry rapidly in a growing market. So explanation of that is the dogs or pets, that is the quadrant. So first one, that is the, so there will the market low market growth and a low market share to a company. So there will be, that is the low or negative cash flow to a company. I mean they generate, I mean the business units and the company generate, that is the low profits. And also the product lines or product units will have what is this limited growth prospects. So business units needs what to divest or liquidate or reposition. Reposition means friends here that again the product will be remodified, and again after reposition, then the business units and the company will offer to the market. For instance, or for example, an outdated product with decreasing or declining the demand in a mature market. So examples of BCG matrix. So friends, so there are two popular brands we'll take into consideration. So first one is Nestle, second one is Apple. So Apple, so stars are there, then cash cow, then question mark, then the dogs. So there are the four elements, I mean the four quadrants. So what strategy will be adopted for the Nestle? It's a thumbs up, that is the Nescafe, I mean the coffee. Then cash cows, it's that is the Limca and Maggi, and for the, that is the MacBooks. Similarly in the case of Star, so here iPhone 13, that is the Apple Watch. So in the case of a question mark, in the case of a question mark, it's the Fanta, then it's the Apple TV. Similarly in the case of dogs, so it's the Minute Maid or iPhone 5. So these are the very good examples of BCG matrix. So next one, what strategies are to be adopted in each category of a BCG matrix? So in the case of that is, so star, it's the main strategy, that is the business units, I mean the company will invest more and more for its expansion. Then in the case of cash cows quadrant, so it's the business units or the company maintains and generate the cash. Similarly in the case of question mark, so the business unit will go for the selective investment or the divest the investment. Then in the case of a dog category, so here the business will harvest or reposition or the divest. So these are the strategies to be adopted in each and every, that is the quadrant of a BCG matrix. So next one friends, so what are the advantages of BCG matrix? So BCG matrix is very easy and simple to understand. Also BCG matrix supports the resource allocations with respect to the market growth rate and market share. Similarly, BCG matrix is also helpful to maintain the balanced product portfolio of a business. So product portfolio, it's related to, that is the product line. Also BCG matrix is helpful to concentrate the investments in the business units. So BCG matrix is also useful for a portfolio planning of a business. Then the business matrix also identifies the product with their growth potential. So these are the main objectives of the BCG matrix. So next, what are the Similarly, what are the disadvantages of BCG matrix? So BCG matrix uses only two major dimensions elements, such as that is the market growth rate and the market share of a company. So market share does not always lead or mean towards the generating the high profits. Similarly, market growth may not accurately show the attractiveness of the business. So this matrix does not take all the competitive factors in the market. So here on the another limitations of BCG matrix, the market is not clearly defined in this BCG matrix model. So these are the disadvantages. So friends, that is the quick recap, that is the BCG growth share market. So friends, here that is the market share is there, it's the low and it's the high. Then also that is the market growth is there, it's a low and high. In the case of that is the first one is we'll see that is the star. In the case of a star, it's that the business or there will be the high market share and high market growth to a company. In the case of cash cows, so here there will be the high market share and low market growth to a company, I mean to the product lines or product units. In the case of question mark, it's different, so there will be the low market share and high market growth to a company or business units. In the case of last one, it's the dog. So here friends, so there will be the low market share as well as a low market growth. So it's the quick recap, friends, you have to remember. So friends, during the discussion, if in mismatch or gap you find, kindly give your valuable comment and suggestion in the comment section. So before concluding our discussion, I am wishing all the very best for your not only coming up that is the semester exam, but also the other related exam. So friends, again we'll meet in another video content. So thanks a lot to all of you.